So in this session, we are going to talk about Hibernate as an ORM tool. ORM means Object Relational Mapping. Object Relational Mapping means you can map Java object to the database table. Can you help me? Database table and vice versa. Anybody have any question query? No. So what is the benefit? You will have Java object, and that Java object you can directly map to the database table. So no need to
Table.
write the query, those boring things you are doing, right? And sometimes you are creating schema also. Say yes. So here, what you need
Yes.
to do? Nothing, right? So that you can do with the help of what? That we can do
ORM
with the
tool.
help of ORM tool. And in in ORM tool, I'm going to use JPA on top of it. So what is the beauty of JPA? See, JPA benefit is if you, there is a many ORM tool. Like today, you are using Hibernate, and tomorrow you are planning to use some other ORM tool like Top Link, or IBTs. So if you are JPA is a glue actually between Spring Boot and ORM tool. Its meaning is JPA help you to switch the ORM tool. Are you following me? So any ORM tool, which we talked about, Hibernate. hmm, We have Top Link. Can you reply? IBTs, many more, which I'm not able to recall it. Hmm? So what is the benefit of JPA? JPA stands for Java Persistence API. Hmm. JPA. Can you JPA stand for
Java persistent
Persistence
API.
Persistence API.
application.
Yeah. Java JPA stand for. So I can only say right now, JPA makes your application ORM independent. No? JPA makes your application ORM independent. Its meaning is today, if you are using Hibernate, tomorrow you want to use Top Link, easily you can switch it. Make sense? And what about ORM? ORM makes your application, that is great thing. ORM makes your application database independent. What is it? ORM makes your application database
Database
independent.
independent.
Today, if you're using MySQL and tomorrow you want to use Oracle, you have to just change in the configuration. I don't know, you got this much or I confuse you? Hmm?
Got it.
Hello? So today, whole code I'm going to convert with Spring Data. I'm going to use Spring Data module plus JPA and Hibernate. So today we will delete Spring JDBC module. I make you confused or you got this much? Hello? So there is some steps in order to implement it. First of all, you have to make a Java object. Let's do one by one. And please cry. If you don't understand, just cry. This is not clear, this is not clear, kind of. So I'm just doing for my one sign up detail, and you can do for yourself. People, what is the name of the application? This one. Can you help me? Hello. First of all, you have to you have to add a jar in pom.xml file. What is it? Jar. Jar for Spring Data JPA. So jar, as you know, nobody can remember it, right? Even I don't remember. Jar only you can
Copy and paste.
Copy. I know Spring Data JPA is there, but I want to copy it. So first of all, you have to add a jar. This one, Spring Boot Starter JPA. If you think, and this JDBC, we can delete it, right? We don't need it. Hello, this we don't need it, but I'm just keeping it. So first thing which you have to do it. Second, if you are using Spring Data JPA, no need to confuse. Second thing which you have to do is for Hibernate and all in application.property file, basically you have to add. Please, if you don't understand, you have to say I don't understand, right?
What is the Spring Data you say?
Spring Data is a module of the Spring which allows you to use JPA. You can see it. It will make your code super duper easy. It is one of the
So,
module, right? Which helps you to implement JPA and all. Let's see. So this entry was there already. You have to just add this much entry for Hibernate. Got my point or confused? This one. And then third step is you have to make a entity class. I told you, right? Class which can map into database. So we have sign up. You can make sign up entity. Confused? No. Please reply.
Can
I'm
you please
making.
explain something from the application properties?
Yeah. I have added. I want to use Spring Data JPA, Hibernate. So in pom.xml file, first of all, I have added this jar. Second, in application.property file, this entry was there for the connection, and this entry I have done for the Hibernate.
What is that auto DDL dash auto update?
Means it will create a table automatically. So far you are creating table yourself, right? But don't do it. It will create a table automatically. Nice. Remember so far what you are doing? You are going to the SQL workbench and you are creating a table manually. What do you say?
yeah.
No need to do it, right? Update means it will create table automatically for you. And this meaning is I'm using Hibernate. See, tomorrow if you want to use top link and all, you can change it. Third step, make entity class. And in entity class, you have to map your all the attribute. My dear friends, what is the difference between entity and DTO? Attribute may be same, may not be same. So this object has to be mapped into database, right? So you can use notation entity. And this notation is coming from, actually it's not showing. So you go and Maven and here you can update the project. Post update. Fine. Now entity should come. And then here you have to mention in each table this data will go. You can mention the table name. So in our case, what is the table name? Sign up table. I'm making you confused or you're following me? Hello?
It's
I'm
gonna
telling,
Let's go a little bit
telling to the
slow.
table for us, right?
Hibernate. Yeah. I'm telling to the Hibernate, hey Hibernate, when you save this object, it means in table, it will go in this table. That's it. And here on the getter, you have to tell it is a primary key. Which key? Primary key. You got it? So automatically this will be mapped into username column. This will be mapped into password column. This will be mapped into gender column. It will be mapped into email column. And this is the primary key. Make sense? I'm just asking.
Yeah.
This is your primary key, right?
Thank you.
And in your case, it is auto-generated, right? This is for your case. In my case, username is not auto-generated. Then here you can write generated value. This is for you, right? Because you guys are auto-generating your column. Am I right or not?
The ID.
And then
Yeah.
you can write strategy equals to auto. Got it? So
That's
this
for
is
the
for you.
AID, right?
Yeah. It will generate the idea always. Here username is not generated, though you can write ID. Fine. Confused? No. My entity
How
class is
do
done.
how do you make the not null?
And how would the
Null.
varchar and then all the
Automatically it will
details?
take. If it is string, it will take varchar.
Oh,
If you want, you can define the varchar also. That is possible. So which database we are using? Any guess?
and if suppose we will take the foreign key,
Everything we can make it. It is just starting. Okay. Foreign key, one to one, one to many. That will come down the line.
Okay.
Huh?
okay,
Hello.
okay.
Okay. In this we don't have this column. The database, I don't know. In my case, we have gender, email, username, password. One, two, three, four, five, six, right? Mobile? I don't know which
I
database
think
we are
it's
using.
batch one
No,
and
this
two.
should be
Batch.
Batch
Help me.
17.
Badge 100. Yeah. This is my table, right? Ooh, hello. Yeah, everything is cool. Like if you want to mention the column size and all, right? Somebody was talking about varchar and all, you can do it. Go to the design table and you see varchar 100 name, right? But if you want to do that, here there is a way to do it. How? You can mention column annotation. In column annotation, you can mention the length. Everything is possible. Are you following me? 100. Hmm. So if you want to give 100 length or you want to give varchar, everything you can define it. I'll tell you slowly. But this is clear. Entity class.
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Like this code is bad, very bad code. Okay. So we'll improve it. So if you allow to me, can I put in different package? But it should be the sub package of the boot, right? So can I
Yeah.
make a DAO? DAO means database logic. Mhm. I'm just moving it. It's fine. And here I'm creating a repository class. Which class?
Repository
Sign up
class.
repository. Sign up repository has all the operation. No need to write any code. Repository. What is it? It has
Um,
all the code for you, right? Just make the interface. Yes, sir. What is it? Just make an interface and extends another interface JPA repository. Why? Because in JPA repository, all the operations are defined. You have to just enjoy. So here, first element, you can mention the sign up entity, the entity which you want to play. And here you can write the primary key type. My primary key type is integer or string?
string.
String. Entity and this. So what is the benefit of this? Here, you can use a repository annotation. Are you following me? Yeah, for DAO layer. So now this you can, in this we have all the method present, okay? Now this is magic for you. Can I try this? In this you have we have a method to save the sign up entity object. You have method to fetch the sign up entity object. You have method to update the sign up entity object, delete everything we have.
Okay.
Mhm. A reply.
Yes.
It's clear, right? So this is kind of magic. Let me show you. Okay. Like this controller, if you allow to me, can I put in the controller package? But it should be a sub package of it, right? Again, I'm repeating it. It must be the sub package of the class where your main resides. You know main? This is the main, right? Which is the stars where it is. Let me delete it. I have some other classes because I may be teaching. Main. You see? Main is present in which package? So other thing I'm deleting it. Eh, I don't want it, right? Still we are using. Oh, yeah, I'm able to delete it, right? So there is a way to restore it. People are with me?
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah. For database interaction, what I have to do is, why is giving the error? You have to move into the controller package and import it. Make sense? Packaging so that you can manage the file, right? Easily.
Mhm.
Hmm. And this, if you allow me, can I put in service package?
Yeah.
Why I'm doing all those things? So that classes should be manageable. by the package name. Please reply. Import it. Control Shift O. I'm able to. Anybody have any question, query, or it's clear? Huh? You're not replying.
It's
I'm just
clear.
showing the package in the different packages. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And super demo, we don't need it. Uh, this we need, right? Main and sign up DTO. Sign up DTO, I'm not touching it. So what I can do, this is a bean, right? I can auto wire. Auto wire means I can use it. Allow me. They can sign up service. We have the JDBC programming. What my intention is private auto wire repository. Why I'm auto wiring repository here? Who will tell me? So that I can save my database programming, right? It will make a magic. Hmm? Hmm. Why I'm auto wiring this repository? People, this repository has
Create the
all
database.
the, yeah, it will help me to, connect with database with the entity. So can I try? I'm asking with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Want to face the data, right? Comment this line. Comment this line. You see the magic of it. No need to write the query. Oh, then you just use sign up repository. You tell me it is magic or not. Then only do find all. Hmm. It's inbuilt method. Hmm. When you do find all, it will return
The list
Sign up to
sign up an entity.
entity.
of entity.
Everywhere you just put the entity. Yes, DTO is gone. What I said? DTO is gone.
Entity.
Tell me it is simple or not? No need to write the query. Only I said sign up repository, find all, it is returning entity. Huh? And we have all the attributes similar to DTO. So can I change this one also?
Yeah.
So reply. This was actually no. Here it was find by username. Am I right? Not find all. I did one mistake. So you want to fetch data by find by username? I'm asking with you.
Yeah.
Mm.
In order to do it, there is a way to do it in this. Like if you want to find data by username, here you can write public
Find.
sign up entity. Formula is find by username. Have you seen the formula? Find by an attribute name. You want to find by username. It's easy or not to write it. And here you can write username. My job is done. Hmm. Reply. You have to just declare the method, right? This method will give you data. I have just declared this method by following the rule. Now come here. People. What I have to do here now? Find
Find the
by.
username.
So is the find by username predefined?
No, you are defining it and Spring Data JPA. If you follow the convention, it will take care of it. So here
Okay.
I'm just getting only one object, not list. So you tell me it becomes simple or not compared to the previous one. Hmm.
Yes.
And this is find all. Am I right? Hmm.
Mm.
Comment it. This is the find all. So you can write sign up repository dot
Find.
find all. And you DTO, because I'm using entity for the database, so DTO I'm just removing it.
Entity.
Everywhere you just variable name is a little bit misleading, but you can change the variable name also. Instead of DTO, you can write entity. That would be great, I guess. And sign up entities. Hmm? What about update? Hmm? Interesting. Like your input would be this, and you don't need this. Update is also easy, I'm telling you. In this case, right, when an entity is coming, you see it's become easy, right? So you will
Yeah.
say sign up repository dot save method for the update. It's done. Hmm? Oh, nice. One line,
See.
right? See, you're
That's
not doing
it.
nothing. That's it.
Wow.
And for save, you have to do the same thing. No difference in save as well. Save and update works in the same fashion. Can you see this? Here you can use entity. Huh? Wow. It's done. Hmm?
Wow.
I don't know. You understand the power of it or not,
This.
right? Simple.
Yeah.
Your question
It's
may be
magic.
what is magic. I'm going
Yeah.
to change in the controller because in controller I'm using DTO everywhere, right? So let's
Mhm.
use entity classes so that. But you see, now you don't have any database code. I'm just making entity so that it should be compatible everywhere. This one. Everywhere we have to replace it, right? This. I don't know, you'll be able to do it or not, right? Replace. Wherever you have sign up DTO, we have to use sign up entity. That's it. Again, here we have to use sign up entity. Make sense? Name is okay, right? Name you can change it, otherwise okay. But type is important. My dear friends, this is done. Edit. This is done. Any questions, query if anybody has?
Can
I'm
you do
asking.
the delete also, please?
Delete.
Yeah.
Delete we haven't implemented.
No.
Today delete. Delete is a cup of tea, I would say. Okay, if you want to delete any data, so go to the service layer. Delete it. I need to write. No?
Yeah.
So public void delete by username.
Oops.
And here you can write username. Primary key, right? Username is primary key. So if you want to delete it, there is a method, right? Delete. Already inbuilt method is there. Delete by ID. ID means primary key. Simple or not? Hello?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
By ID. ID means primary key. That's it. If any other attribute will come, I'll let you know. And in controller, right? If you want to delete the record, please help me, right? So what I have to make?
So
Delete data.
delete data.
Here you can write delete sign up.
Delete.
And here you can pass the username, and here you can write delete by username. It's super duper easy or not? Here deleting it, and whatever remaining data is there, fetch it and show it. What do you say? Done. You are fetching it and showing it. Make sense? Now what I have to do on JSP? People. Like in JSP, I am using VO, right? This you have to replace with
Entity.
entity. That's it. So this is entity, this is entity. Done. Variable name doesn't matter. And similarly, I think here when you are editing it, right? If in case of edit, what key we are using? We are using sign up DTO is okay, right? Can I run it? I don't know. You feel it's magic or not?
Crazy.
Now you don't have any, you don't have any JDBC programming code. Everything is replaced by Spring Data JPA. When everything is there, you have to just know how to eat it. So can I run my code? I have a doubt it will work or not. Normally, what we do to run it, I don't remember. Signup.jsp you call? Yeah. And this is running on which port number? 8080. Signup.jsp 8080. So what I need to do?
Localhost
Localhost
sign up.
8080.
Sign up.
You can take anything. I don't know. Oh my God. After doing this much, still it is working, right?
Yeah.
So delete I haven't implemented so far.
Yeah.
You did.
Oh, it's working. I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay.
Delete data and you are passing username. Let me check it. I don't remember. In this delete. think result is not there. Okay. Record is decreasing or not? Technohunk 1100. I think data is changed. Okay.
You have an email on the username.
So username is email itself. Sign up entity. No class.
Oh, okay.
Let's check in database, right? Why it's saying like this? I'm just checking it. But here we don't have data. Magic? Ah, but how data is coming? It is in memory database or what? I don't know. Let me check it. It's too much.
Yeah. Need to.
No. From where? Okay, let's see which database we are using. Huh?
I think we need to hard refresh the browser.
No. I did it already. That is not an issue. The database we are using is batch 100 underscore DB. Batch 100 underscore DB. Refresh it. But here we don't have any record. But why it's showing? Okay. Maybe static variable. So sign up. Can you see this? The same issue I have. The issue that
Oh, yeah.
I think candidate. So I
25.
did mistakes. Yeah, that's why she was facing it, right?
Mm.
But delete data was there already. I wrote one more. No. So before adding it, clear it, right? Now it's fine. I hope you understand what was the issue. There is no data, right? Hmm.
Create account.
So
So signups.
I'm just looking.
I think create.
This is the GSP.
Oh, yeah. This.
Sign. Oh, why sign up page comes? You can go to the controller and I think you have to type C sign up. Action.
Mm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Now you can add some
Data.
sign up. So all the data, right? Let me add. Hey, you guys are you got this much or you totally got super duper confused? Huh?
Got it.
Sign up and show. It is coming from Spring Data JPA. In Spring Data JPA, another beauty is whatever query is fired, you see, you can see it in the terminal as well. So
Mm.
this is just starting. I'm just stopping my session here. Tomorrow we'll go with the again. I will do the
Can you
recap and
show
tell
the
you.
edit if it works? Just the edit. Just curious.
Thank you.